But you know what is a big advantage of this drug? It can be produced easily, efficiently, and at a low cost. Within 2 months, I can supply the entire world needs. I think everyone has to be modest, especially physicians. And this was a phase 1 trial, which its main purpose is safety. And I'm very happy to say that it's 100% safe. We gave it in a very high dose, and I already asked to increase the dose to approval of the Ministry of Health, and I predict that there is not going to be any toxicity whatsoever. At the same time, it was very pleasant experience to hear the patient telling us that they are feeling much better after they were severe patient with a COVID-19 infection, which heavily breathing, low saturations of oxygen saturations in the blood, very weak, and they said all of a sudden they starting to come back to life. So this was very encouraging and helping us. At the same time, like I said, now the primary aim was safety, and now we have already asked the Israeli Minister of Health to approve us the next step in order to compare our drug with placebo, also to make sure that efficacy is indeed effective. Which I have a lot of experience in clinical trials, and always when you look for efficacy, you have to compare it to placebo. So next stage is I have 2 aims. One, to increase the dosage even further. 10 to the 10th. It's very high dose. I'm sure we are not going to reach the MTD, maximal toxicity dose. And although the 10 to the 9th was effective, also when we think about other indications, maybe more severe patients, maybe we are going to need, or higher dose is going to be beneficial. So this is the first aim. The second aim is to compare it with placebo. Like I said, this was a phase 1 primary and is safety. In order to really have a feel of the efficacy, you have to compare it to placebo.
Right.
And that's what I asked to do in the next stage.